We got this 2004 Pontiac Sunfire with the 2.2 liter EcoTech in it. It's having an issue right now where it will only start if you're trying to start it with the remote start that it has, and the remote start is aftermarket. So today we're gonna just go ahead and rip that out. Hopefully it will fix the issues. We're just looking to sell the car, so not really caring if the remote starts in there. So I'll show you what I mean. Go ahead and start it up with the remote here. So the remote start that came on it is a Viper remote start. Looks something like this right here. This is Viper brand. But we're gonna go ahead and push the lock button twice, and then we're gonna just push the remote start button. And as you can see, started up no issue. We push the start button again, it kills it, and it could start up every time like that. Now if we go ahead and unlock the doors, now we're going to go ahead and put the key in the ignition here, and as you can see, it tried to start and it failed to start. This is something that we've been having with this Pontiac Sunfire. So we're just going to go ahead and pull out this remote start. Unfortunately, we'll lose the keyless entry with it too because it's all in one system, but it's just too big of a headache. So first thing we're going to do is locate it underneath the dash. Alright, let's do a quick progress check here. So as you can see, took apart the dash a little bit. Also found the aftermarket remote start and keyless entry system. You can see here, this is the main brain, this is the pass lock system, as cords running up from it. This back here is probably a factory. It looks like it says BCM, so something from GM. That just came down with it. I don't know how they wired it up, but it came down with it. But we'll tuck that back up in there. But we're gonna go ahead and keep cutting out wires and stuff like that are spliced in here. I also disconnected the battery so that way I won't have any sparks or shorts or anything like that. Definitely would advise that before starting to work on this, as you are dealing with 12 volts. I'm going to start doing this and we'll touch base after I rip this out. Alright, well it looks like a war zone in here, but I think I got everything done. So I got the wires out of the ignition. You can see that they splice back like they should have. Actually was installed very well. Underneath, just got a couple of wires left that I don't feel like taking out in their proper place. I'm just gonna tape them and call those good. Everything looks like it came out successfully. When we look here, there's the system. Had the pass lock, the relays, the whole kit and caboodle. So what we're gonna do is now tape up all these exposed wires so that way I feel safer about giving it a start and see what happens here. Alright, so I went ahead and taped up all the wires. Those are looking good now. Cleaned a little bit of stuff up underneath here and put the this BCM back or whatever it is. But I think we're all set and squared away. I also did the battery. Put that back on post. Now let's go ahead and see if she starts up. Beautiful. Started right up and we're doing great. So we're gonna say that this is a job well done. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and if it helped you.